If you are looking for a professional building surveyor in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad, then look no further. Our team at Scon Design has the expertise and experience to provide comprehensive building surveying services in this area. As a building surveyor, we specialize in evaluating the condition of existing buildings and providing detailed reports on their structural integrity, maintenance requirements, and compliance with building regulations. Raj Nagar in Ghaziabad is a rapidly developing area with a mix of residential, commercial, and industrial buildings. Our building surveyors have a deep understanding of the local building codes and regulations, making us the ideal choice for any building assessment or inspection needs in this area. Whether you are planning to buy a property, sell one, or simply need an assessment for insurance purposes, our team can provide you with accurate and reliable surveys. At Scon Design, we pride ourselves on delivering high-quality building surveying services that meet the specific needs of our clients. Our building surveyors are trained to conduct thorough inspections of all aspects of a building, including its structure, electrical systems, plumbing, heating and cooling systems, and fire safety measures. We use advanced equipment and techniques to ensure that our assessments are accurate and comprehensive. When you hire our services as a building surveyor in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad, you can expect a detailed report that highlights any potential issues or areas of concern. Our reports include recommendations for repairs or maintenance work, along with estimated costs and timelines. We understand the importance of clear communication and strive to provide our clients with reports that are easy to understand and act upon. In addition to our building surveying services, we also offer project management services for construction and renovation projects. In Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad, Scon Design's team is qualified and experienced to offer thorough building surveying services in this field. Building surveys are our area of expertise, and we give thorough reports on the structural integrity, upkeep needs, and conformance with building codes of existing buildings. In Ghaziabad, Raj Nagar is a fast-growing neighborhood with a mix of residential, commercial, and industrial structures. We are the best company to use for any building assessment or inspection requirements in this region because our building surveyors have a thorough awareness of the regional building codes and regulations. Our experts can offer you precise and dependable surveys whether you're looking to purchase or sell a home or just need evaluation for insurance purposes. At Scon Design, we take pride in providing high-quality building surveying services that are tailored to our clients' individual requirements. Our building surveyors are skilled in performing detailed examinations of a building structure, electrical and plumbing systems, heating and cooling systems, and fire safety precautions. To guarantee the accuracy and thoroughness of our assessments, we employ cutting-edge tools and methods. A thorough report highlighting any potential faults or areas of concern is what you can anticipate when you hire our services as a building surveyor.